Hello and welcome to News But Facts, where we bring you the latest updates with no spin, just facts. Today we have a significant development in the ongoing fight for LGBTQ+ rights and recognition within the US military. President Joe Biden announced on Wednesday that he has pardoned US veterans who were convicted by the military under a regulation that allowed people to be kicked out for being gay. This regulation, known as Article 125 of the Uniform Code of Military Justice, prohibited gay sex and was in place from 1951 until its repeal in 2013. The White House stated that this decision will impact thousands of veterans, although a specific number was not provided. This move is not just symbolic, it has practical implications as well. Veterans who were previously denied benefits such as military pensions, home loans and college tuition due to their convictions will now have the opportunity to reclaim these rights. However, it's important to note that veterans will not automatically have their convictions fight. They must apply and go through a military approval process. An estimated 1 lakh service members have been kicked out of the military because of their sexual orientation since World War II. More than 13,000 of these discharges occurred under the Don't Ask, Don't Tell DADT policy, which was in effect from 1994 to 2011. The DADT policy allowed gay, lesbian and bisexual people to serve in the military as long as they did not reveal their sexual orientation. This policy was a compromise that ultimately forced many service members to live in secrecy and fear. In December 2010, President Barack Obama signed the Don't Ask, Don't Tell Repeal Act, which officially ended the policy on September 20, 2011. This repeal was a significant victory for LGBTQ+ rights within the military. According to a RAND Corporation report, a 2015 survey of over 16,000 service members found that 5.8% identified as lesbian, gay or bisexual. The military has made strides toward inclusivity, but the journey is ongoing. Over the years, organizations like the Service Members Legal Defense Network have been crucial in advising troops under threat of discharge and challenging discriminatory laws in court. The repeal of DADT and Biden's recent pardons represent the ongoing efforts to right the wrong of the past and create a more inclusive military environment. President Biden's pardons are a step towards justice for those who have suffered under discriminatory policies. It's a reminder of the importance of recognizing and correcting past injustices to pave the way for a more inclusive future. Thank you for watching News But Facts. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay informed and stay factual with News But Facts.